Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it seems like it's been a while since I've done one of the hacker boxes, but I have the most recent hacker box, which is 0094 Port Authority. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. I got some more female to female jumpers, full line of connectors. Get this opened up. Got a joystick. Oh, cool pin. May throw this one on my backpack. It's pretty, kind of like a, I can't tell if it's chrome or like a black chrome, but it says Hack Life on it. You'll see a better picture in a minute whenever I show you it on the overhead. In the website. Got a, looks like a VGA adapter, an RS-232 to TTL. So VGA with 4 pins. Be interesting to see what we use that for. A PS2 to USB adapter. Hadn't seen one of these in a while. Used to have a ton of them laying around everywhere. And here is TTGo T-Micro 32. It's got VGA, PS2, mouse, keyboard, another connector, micro USB, 3.5 millimeter. Looks like a battery connector. Interesting. Let's see what we're gonna do with that. And then there's this month's sticker, OG Port Authority. But it is a VGA input to HDMI out with an additional audio out. It's got a USB. Okay, so it is USB powered, 5-volt DC. It's got the power for the USB and a 3.5 millimeter jack. And then of course the card that typically comes with him. TFT card. I guess that's what this is. Just to hold a card, like a micro SD card or something. Keyboard, mouse, headset jack, VGA, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth board, and then on the other side it has the Max 3232 module and the analog joystick module. So let's go take a look over at the website and see what we have going on over here. So here you can kind of see a little better image of the Hack Life pin that came with it. It goes over everything we just went over. Let's look at the guide real quick. search through all the supplies. I don't see anything that we're actually going to solder this time around. So this is VGA32, is a single board computer. Okay. So it tells you how to do video. Okay, that's cool. I didn't realize that. So the audio on the VGA to HDMI is to inject audio into the HDMI. So that'll come in handy for sure. So we have HDMI to audio video conversion. Apparently it's been featured in a couple of Hackerboxes, which I don't believe I have any of them. Except for, obviously the most current one. So there's a PS2 to USB. FabGL graphics library, so you can bring Space Invaders into it. Serial terminal. Okay. So our extra RS3232 or Max3232, whatever, is to create a serial connection. Then also you can connect the analog joystick to it. Alright. Let's get something uploaded to it and see what it looks like. Alright, here's the audio program that comes installed on this little board. It just gives you the option to, loop. It's got Mario on here.
Hello, this is FabGL sampled speech demonstration.
Speech.
Hello, this is FabGL sampled speech
You can do, let's do sine wave. So you can do multiple, and it'll play them all at the same time. So cool little project. Let's look at the next one. So this is Space Invaders, another one of the examples that was on there. There's a handful of other ones, plenty of you for you to try. This will be the last one I try. I tried to get the VIC-20 to work as well, but there was something missing in the code that I needed to re-add, or needed to add a library or something. I just didn't have the time to go in and search that out. But Space Invaders, it works. So let's play a quick game of Space Invaders. Oh, got one of mine. So that's Space Invaders. Let's go back to the top down and we'll talk a little bit more about this project. Alright, so this hacker box came with this little board. As you see, there's a couple of projects you can do with it. It's quite a bit of fun. At some point I would like to play with make this pretty much a emulator of an old compact or an old computer. The biggest thing I have to say about it is these PS2 ports are old technology. I only have two standard keyboards here that aren't, part of a laptop, and three mice. And I have two Logitech newer mice. Neither one of them worked. And I even have just comes with all computers HP wired mouse that just didn't work, even with the adapter. And same thing for the keyboards. I have a custom mechanical keyboard that did not work at all. I didn't really expect it to. And then I also have the HP keyboard that comes with a bunch of computers, and it didn't work. So the keyboard that you plug into this still has to be able to work on the PS2 protocol, and the ones I have didn't, so that's why this video is late. However, I did stop by a Goodwill on the way home, and I was able to pick up this old compact keyboard mouse set. It's even an old rollerball style mouse. So it'll stay in my collection just for anytime I have a project like this come up or an old computer come in or anything like that. As you saw, we played some Space Invaders, played around with the audio thing. It's definitely a fun little project. Uh, I will definitely be using this just even on other projects, most likely. But I don't know when I'll get this project back out. It's a great little project. The projects I look most forward to, though, are obviously all the soldering projects. But if you're into these older emulation and video things, then this is a great project for you. I have just about received all the stuff to start shipping out war drivers again. So if you would like a war driver, go ahead and check out my website. I have the link down in the description. If you would like some Script Kitty stickers, I have the full set. These are just two of them. Again, they're on my website. I'm hoping to be back on schedule now. This one's obviously a day late, but I hope to have another video up Friday and then back to my Tuesday, Friday schedule. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, go subscribe, like it, thumbs up. If you haven't, go subscribe to my Twitter, my Instagram. I'm on there all the time. If you have any questions, that's probably one of the best ways to contact me. I'll also respond to any comments. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.